afternoon, children. How you all be? Good? You good? Okay, we're gonna come together here to learn something about this here ring shout. Ring shout is a communal experience, a way of moving together that signifies a connection with spirit, with God, connection with the ancestors. It also signifies our connection with the earth. We come from the earth and we return to the earth at last. My people felt one with the land. They were taken from West Africa, mostly from Sierra Leone, but some were also from other places, Mandinka regions, Angola. But our language is a Creole, a mixture of English and an African dialect that can be traced to Sierra Leone. So let's go over some of the steps, okay? It's as I said, it's a part of being a part of the land. My people were enslaved and brought to the Sea Islands, mostly South Carolina and Georgia and North Carolina, to grow rice in the low country. It's called the low country because it is actually below sea level. So from day clean to day gone, they endured outside extremes of heat and cold. But ring shouting was one way of prevailing. Ring shouting is done in a circle. It's part worship, part socializing, part ritual, and it's part sharing information so that the enslavers would not know.
I said, come on in this house, chillin'.
He's gonna rain. God told Noah, it's gonna rain.
God spoke to Noah, brother Noah, he stopped, yeah.
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
He said, listen here to Noah, won't you build me an ark?
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
Well, it rained 40 days and it rained 40 nights.
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
You see, there wasn't no land nowhere inside.
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
Well, come on in this house, chillin'.
It's gonna rain.
Well, come on in this house, y'all.
It's gonna rain.
I said, come on in this house, chillin'.
It's gonna rain. God told Noah, it's gonna rain.
Well, God called the animal 2 by 2.
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
The ox, the camel, and the kangaroo.
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
Well, God showed Noah the rainbow sign.
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
He said it won't be water but fire next time.
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
Well, come on in this house, chillin'.
It's gonna rain.
Well, come on in this house, y'all.
It's gonna rain.
I said, come on in this house, chillin'.
It's gonna rain. God told Noah, it's gonna rain. God told Noah, it's gonna rain. God told Noah, it's gonna rain.
You know,
God told Noah, it's gonna rain. God told Noah, it's gonna rain.